This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday afternoon, the 12th of March. James Spann here. We had the morning storms. Those have moved out. Upper low developing north, obviously. It's going to be a cloudyish, cool weekend and maybe some light rain at times, but the bulk of the serious stuff out of here. Let's take a look at some of the shots around the network this afternoon. First off, we'll go to Tuscaloosa. That is the view there from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, and the sky looking pretty bright and pretty interesting. We started off the day with that pre-dawn hail activity over West Alabama, and you wind up with weather like this. Fantastic. Now look in East Alabama, though, Mount Cheaha, they are cloudy and drizzly up in the clouds, so they have not enjoyed a lot of sunshine today. And look at Fayette up in northwest Alabama, the sky becoming overcast there, and understand as that upper low develops, more clouds will wrap back in from the northwest. And there you go. That thing is a whopper, centered near Kansas City. And that's going to be moving southeast down toward Nashville tomorrow. So inevitably clouds will be wrapping in here. It will be much cooler tomorrow with highs only in the 50s. And again, we'll probably see a few passing showers, but nothing too heavy. And you can see how it's cool underneath that, only in the 40s in parts of Missouri, Arkansas, Illinois, 30s farther north and west. And again, it's going to be a chilly day tomorrow. It's going to feel that way, even though we'll probably see highs in the low and mid 50s. But today, not bad. Tuscaloosa flirting with 70. They've got 69. Birmingham at 63, but cooler to the east where the clouds are hanging tough. Anniston at 59 degrees. There's the radar out of Peachtree City, and you can see bands of convection moving through Georgia. And really, the main concern is hail. We've got one severe thunderstorm watch to the northeast of here, parts of eastern Kentucky and eastern Tennessee. For the same problem we had this morning, the possibility of large hail because of very cold air aloft. And there's a look at the precipitation for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. Keep in mind this counts the rain we had early this morning and any rain that might fall tomorrow. But the bulk of the heavy stuff is over for a while. We'll look at modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow. Look at that. The upper level low is centered almost over Huntsville now and the shoals. And underneath that, those things can be kind of pesky. We've got the surface low developing northeast of us, but around here, I think the day will be mostly cloudy. There could be some light rain at times, and it will be noticeably cooler. And again, where showers do form, they might even produce some small hail tomorrow with no thunder and no lightning. Sunday, same deal. The upper low weakens and begins to lift out, but it looks like the sky will stay mostly cloudy on Sunday, and I think we'll need to push the highs back down into the 50s because of that. But Monday of next week will break out of that. Monday should be a mostly sunny day with a high back in the low 60s. And Tuesday looks good, sunny with mid-60s. And that's where we should be for this time of the year. Again, that little impulse you see that was over West Texas is going south instead of east. Now, Wednesday, again, a short wave continues to show up on the models, and you can see it rotating through Memphis there, and that will provide some upward motion. It might squeeze out a shower or two, but the air is pretty dry. So if anything falls Wednesday, we think it will be fairly light and spotty. And then Thursday of next week, that feature is on by. That looks like a dry day. And Friday, a week from today, looks pretty nice. But yeah, we see that cold air to the northwest. And then on Saturday, the 20th, a week from tomorrow, look at that trough digging down over the east, and here comes that cold air. And again, modeling has just been all over the road with, when it gets here, how much, how long. But no doubt, cold snaps are coming. Again, that's a week from tomorrow. Looks pretty cold. Be in the 40s if this is right. 5 days later, look at this trough on the 25th off to the west. That looks awfully stormy and flooding type rains if this is right. Big surface low near the shoals. Big snowstorm maybe for parts of Missouri and northwest Arkansas. And then the next day on the 26th, that low moves northeast, and again, we turn cold. So you can see why we clearly think we do have more cold weather to come. Winter's not over yet. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters will take care of this tomorrow and Sunday. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. If you're local to us, catch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Again, have a great weekend, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.